Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically do the Nutty Fever event in your garden. It is the latest update, and this is what you should do. You need to do. So basically, you'll need to put your chubby squirrel in your garden, which you can claim right here. And basically, every time it eats, it gives you a reward like this acorn. And then you'll basically need to have the chubby squirrel keep on gaining weight to get rewards. So right now I'm not able to claim anything yet because my squirrel, have I been saying squirrel? Okay, my chipmunk has not gained weight until my chipmunk isn't 1.25 kilograms yet. It's still at 1 kilo. So basically, you just need to wait until the chipmunk eats away, and it will give you rewards once it's like super duper like fat, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, you can also submit any plants here in the middle, and basically the Nutty Fever will, like the weather, it will trigger its abilities, and I think it can like gain weight by that. You can also submit any plants that you want. Just collect a bunch of plants here, and you can just like submit it, and it will trigger the event, the weather, sorry. Hope you guys understood that. Honestly, I'm still a little bit confused. A little. I said a little twice. But yeah, that is how you can do the Nutty Fever event. You just need your chipmunk to be super fat. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.